The cart with large wheels does not fit in the back of my Subaru anymore. And I needed to get it in there because I need to get it down to Royce's shop to repair this wheel that you can see is broken. Since it doesn't fit in to my car, I just sort of like shoved it in as far as it would go, and I'm gonna try and drive down the street like that. Fortunately, I'm going downhill, so I'm thinking it shouldn't fall out, but it might, and then I won't know what to do. But I'll cross that bridge when I get there. So yeah, the things we do for art, this seems completely maniacal to me, but it's got to be done. I would have rolled it down there, except that I can't. It's got a broken wheel. So here I go. We'll see what happens. I'll if it dumps in the middle of the road, I'll turn the camera back on so we can see what kind of chaos that generates.